So I know you can't see very well, but over my left shoulder is the new Hyundai Genesis, the new top-of-the-line Hyundai. And Hyundai is definitely taking aim at the German competitors, both BMW, Audi, and Mercedes. Now, coming up next on the Fast Lane car, everything you ever wanted to know, well, almost everything, about the new Hyundai Genesis.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the all-new Hyundai Genesis. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Chief Designer of Hyundai Design North America, Christopher Chapman.
Thank you. Well, here it is, the first realization of Hyundai's new design direction we previewed at last year's HCD 14 unveiling here in Detroit. Fluidic Sculpture 2.0. It's a design language that's sophisticated and adaptable, and it's beautifully executed here in the all-new Genesis. Now, the original fluidic sculpture concept began with the current Sonata, and you can see it across our entire lineup. And the purpose of that revolutionary concept was to grab the attention of style-conscious customers who had little or no familiarity with the Hyundai brand. And that it did. With flowing lines and dynamic forms, fluidic sculpture instantly gave Hyundai a unique look and a progressive identity, one that captivated our growing fan base around the globe. Now, with the introduction of Fluidic Sculpture 2.0 in the all-new Genesis, our groundbreaking design language has evolved in a more refined direction. Now, as you'll hear in more detail in a moment, the 2015 Genesis is an extraordinary work of engineering. And our designers have capitalized on that, taking bold strides to create a shape that emphasizes the vehicle's strength, precision, and refinement. It's an original design with a character all its own, defined by voluminous body sections, clean lines, and well-balanced proportions. It's confident and elegant, with nothing forced about it. Our new hexagonal grille stands up proudly in front, giving Genesis a commanding presence. It accents the long hood and the powerful engine underneath. The lines of the all-new Genesis are simpler, bolder, and more precise, like this sharp crease that accents the low-slung proportions. And to share some of the highlights, I'd like you to please welcome the Vice President of Product and Corporate Planning, Mr. Mike O'Brien.
Thanks, Chris. As Dave mentioned, the first generation Genesis was another important proof point of our standing as a world-class manufacturer. It's changed perceptions of the brand and set this foundation for our incredible growth in the US market. For our next Genesis, we set out to make yet another leap forward to the brand by building a vehicle capable of going head-to-head with the world's most respected luxury sedans in every aspect. Our goal was for the new Genesis to create the strongest and safest body structure in the class, providing both exceptional dynamics and unprecedented occupant protection. So we began with a clean slate, creating an all-new platform and body structure solely for the Genesis that is composed of more than 50% advanced high-strength steel. High-pressure die-cast aluminum shock towers, Hot-stamped and laser-welded side members and a diamond-shaped strut bar create an incredibly stiff structure that maximizes crash performance and steering responsiveness while minimizing noise and vibration. In fact, every element of the body and chassis was optimized for stiffness, crash performance, and weight, with not a single part carrying over from the previous chassis. As a result, the new Genesis has 16% greater torsional rigidity and 40% greater bending rigidity than its predecessor, with each of these besting the current BMW 5 Series. And although we have to wait for the results, the Genesis was designed to achieve the highest crash rating of any rear-wheel drive vehicle currently on the market today. To leverage this incredible foundation, we developed an all-new suspension, steering, and braking systems focused on striking that ideal balance of control, confidence, and comfort. 5-link front and rear suspension provides optimized geometry and stiffness to ensure maximum grip. Monoblock calipers with integrated cooling ducts handle stopping duty, while a new rack-mounted power steering system provides exceptional feel and precision. The chassis was developed with an international team of Hyundai steering and suspension experts on roads around the world, from Angeles Crest Highway to the Nuremberg Ring to the Korean National Grand Prix circuit. Along the way, we consulted with renowned dynamics consultants like Lotus Engineering to validate our performance relative to world-class standards, as well as meeting customer expectations. To give drivers better handling under different road conditions, Genesis also features the new H-Track all-wheel drive system. H-Track uses an electronic center coupling with an active torque control. What makes it unique is its multi-mode feature. H-Track offers the all-weather benefits of conventional